learn how to lose your money successfully. First step, find a fresh IPO that crashes 85% right after listing. Then think, wow, now it must be cheap. Take all your savings and buy a stock you know absolutely nothing about. Exactly what I did with TMPO, the demon of my dreams ever since. Next, forget indicators, fundamentals, just use the volatility curve. The more chaotic, the better. And if there's no liquidity, even better. That's a bonus amount of dust in your eye. Now, if you get lucky and your stock goes up 75%, don't sell. Only losers take profit when it's just 75%. Hold for that magical plus 100%. When it doesn't happen, add more money. Double down. When it starts to free fall, don't use a stop loss. Just pray it's a pullback. Manifest it. Maybe it'll work. And finally, when the company goes bankrupt, you can proudly sell your 1 cent worth of shares and pay a 35-cent fee for the privilege. Congratulations! You've just mastered how to lose your pants in a nutshell.